With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So the question is, if the lower block is held fixed and force is applied to P, minimum force required to slide P on Q is 12 Newton. How if Q is free to move on frictionless surface and force is applied to Q, then the minimum force F required to slide P on Q is. We have to find out the minimum force which is applied on Q so that the slide P which is on the Q is slide on Q. Okay, to solve this question, first we have to make the free body diagram of P and as well as Q. Okay, so let's start the free body diagram. First we have to make the free body diagram of block P. Suppose this is block P. This is P having 4 kilogram mass. The force is applied on this F, and now the friction is applied on the opposite side because friction is opposes the motion of particle. That means friction is applied in the opposite direction of the force, so friction is applied in this side, and normalization basically balance the weight of this. So I can also write mu mg or mu n, both are the same thing. So now this is the block P and there is a force applied F, and because of this force the relative motion happens, and tendency of relative motion is to move in opposite direction. Okay, so because of friction this block is try to move in opposite direction, so friction force is works in opposite direction, that is mu n or mu mg. So now for this block I can write that if this block is want to move in direction in upward direction, so I can write this value of force is greater than or equals to the value of mu n. Okay, if this block slide in upward direction, that means, or in rightward direction, that means the value of f is greater than or equals to mu n. So I can write f equals to mu n. The value of F is given, minimum force is given as 12 Newton, so it is mu, and N is equals to mg, so the weight is 4 and the value of G is 10. So from here the value of mu, which is the coefficient of friction, is coming out to be 3 by 10. Okay, now we are going to make the free body diagram of Q block. Okay, so this is the Q block having 5 kg weight. Now the force is applied on this. Okay, and because of this force the friction is work on this side, F is work in opposite side of the force, and on the top of it it is a P block, and when friction on Q block is in this side, that means friction on this block, which is my P block, is in this side. This is the friction on Q block and this is the friction on F block, and acceleration is same because there is no slipping. That means no slipping means same acceleration. So now I can write for block Q, I can write for block Q F minus F, that is equals to MA, and the value of MA 5A, so I can write F minus F equals to 5A. This is for block Q. Similarly for block P I can write F equals to 4A because the mass of 4 kg, so it is 4A. When the value of F is 4A, I am going to put the value of F in this equation, first equation. So from there the value of capital F, that is the force, is coming out to be F equals to 5A plus 4A, that is 9A, and from here the value of A is coming out to be F by 9. This is the acceleration which is same for the block P as well as Q because they both are not slipping on each other. That means they are having the same acceleration. Now I'm going to put the value of A in this second equation. So from second equation it is F friction force is coming out to be 4 into A, 4 into F by 9. This is the friction force, and if I want to move or to slide P on Q, so the value of F maximum, that is equals to 4F by 9. and the value of F is given in the question. So when I put the value of F, I can find out the value of small f, that is the friction force. So the value of F is coming out to be 4 by 9 into capital F. The value of capital F is given as 12 Newton, minimum force required to slip P on Q. So the value is coming out to be 27 Newton. This is the friction force or minimum friction force which is required to slip P on Q, which is 27 Newton. Okay, thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.